Are you wanting to know how to wash your hands to prevent the spread of coronavirus as best as possible? Well, I'm going to teach you how today. I'm Heather McConochie, former emergency room nurse turned nutritionist and mindset coach, and I'm going to walk you through how to wash your hands properly. So the first thing to understand is that hand washing is better than using alcohol sanitizer. So you always want to wash your hands as much as possible to prevent the spread of infection and to prevent you getting something. That said, if you're in between locations or you're traveling, you can totally use hand sanitizer, but wash your hands as soon as possible. So that's the first thing I want you to get. The second thing I want you to understand is that any kind of soap will do. You don't need to have fancy antibacterial soap. You don't need to have some special soap. You can literally use dish soap if that's all you have, if that's all you can find at the store. You can even use bar soap. So when you're washing your hands, the most important thing is the vigorous rubbing action and time. This is because the vigorous rubbing action actually helps remove virus particles, bacterial particles from your skin. So I'm going to show you how to do it. You can use lukewarm water. I recommend using not super cold water because you'll get a better lather. Get your hands a little bit wet and then do a couple pumps of soap. When you're washing your hands, you don't want to just wash the palms. You actually want to get in between all of your fingers. You want to use a vigorous rubbing action like this, and you want to get all over your hands. Now, I'm going to teach you some tricks from surgeons and what they do when they're preparing for surgery. They actually clean up their arms and wrists as well, because things can touch our wrists and bacteria can travel that way. So this is a pro tip if you want to wash like a surgeon. So, how long do you wash for? Well, you can sing happy birthday to yourself, or any song that lasts about 20 seconds. Okay, so we've vigorously scrubbed our hands, we've gotten in between our fingers, now we're going to rinse. So, if you want to rinse like a surgeon, you're actually going to put your elbow close to the water and let everything run off your hand this way. Be careful not to touch any surfaces after you're washed. So don't touch the handle. Get a paper towel first. And you can use the paper towel to turn off the faucet. These are tricks that I used in the ER to never get sick, even though I was taking care of patients with active tuberculosis, pneumonia, the flu, and many other viruses. Use a paper towel to avoid transmitting residual bacteria or viruses to a cloth towel, and then toss these in the trash. I hope these tips helped you. Stay safe, and if you have any questions about hand hygiene, let me know. Oh, and one bonus tip. Actually, the best thing to do right now is remove your nail polish, ladies. And guys, if you wear nail polish, okay? But everyone should have bare nails. That's because any kind of nail polish, gel nails, acrylic nails, anything, a dip, will actually trap viruses and bacteria. So for best hand hygiene, remove your nail polish. Also remove your rings and jewelry.